Understanding Editorial Shoots, a guide for language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of photography and media. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and context of the term editorial shoot. This is a commonly used phrase in the world of photography and fashion, and understanding it will enrich your English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in these industries. So, let's get started. An editorial shoot refers to a type of photography session that is designed to tell a story or illustrate a concept, typically for a magazine or newspaper. Unlike commercial shoots, which are aimed at selling a product, editorial shoots are more artistic and narrative-driven. They often focus on mood, themes, and storytelling, and are a popular feature in fashion magazines. 1. Storytelling. The primary goal is to tell a story or convey a specific theme. 2. Artistic freedom. Photographers have more creative liberty to experiment with styles, lighting, and composition. 3. Fashion and trends. Often showcases clothing, accessories, and styles, reflecting current fashion trends. 4. Location and atmosphere. The choice of location and setting plays a crucial role in contributing to the overall narrative. 5. Models and expression. Models in editorial shoots often portray characters or emotions that align with the shoot's theme. Editorial shoots are a staple in many fashion and lifestyle magazines. They are used to illustrate articles, accompanying visual narratives to written pieces, set trends, introduce and popularize new fashion and style trends, showcase creativity, display the artistic talents of photographers, stylists, and models. It's important to distinguish editorial shoots from commercial shoots. While editorial shoots focus on art and story, commercial shoots are all about promoting products or services. The latter is more direct in its approach to influencing consumer behavior and often includes explicit branding. I hope this video has helped clarify what an editorial shoot is and how it differs from other types of photography sessions. Understanding such terms not only enhances your English vocabulary but also gives you insight into the vibrant world of media and fashion. Keep exploring and learning, and I'll see you in the next video.